Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to stop background apps in Windows laptop. So let's see. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Windows PC tips like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have your Windows Start menu icon right here. Right click on it, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to go to Task Manager. All right, so under the tax manager right here, next thing you need to do is to make sure you go to Startup. Click on Startup. So it's going to take you right here. Here, you have all apps that run in the background of your PC right here. And what you need to do right here is to disable as many as possible any apps that is running in the background, because some of these apps consume your PC battery, and at the same time, they consume your data, and at the same time, they make your PC run very small slow at the startup. So what we want to do now is to check on anyone that is enabled right here. We have to make sure we right click and we make sure we disable it. And then this one here is also enabled. I'm going to select on that. I'm going to disable it right here. And then I'm going to select this particular one right here and make sure I disable it. And this one, this Skype right here also, I'm not using it, disable it. So you can disable as many as possible apps that you know that you are no longer used. I'm going to disable this one also. So everything looks good right here. It's that simple. And having disabled all this, it does not affect your PC. It makes your PC run very much faster. It saves the lifespan of your PC battery. And at the same time, your PC will be boosted very faster at the startup. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.